Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch Fit 4 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should be an icon called Mode. To enable the Do Not Disturb mode, tap on this icon, and we have Do Not Disturb or Sleep mode. We want to select the Do Not Disturb mode, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the mode will be enabled. You can tell by the icon changing the color, and if you go to watch face, you will see that the Do Not Disturb mode icon appears right here at the top of the watch face, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel, tap on the icon or Do Not Disturb mode icon. You will see the message Do Not Disturb mode disabled. The icon will go back to the mode icon, and if you go to the watch face, the icon from the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. You can also go to settings, and there you can make a schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode. So to do that, press the crown button. Press it. Find the settings icon and tap on it. Then scroll down and look for the mode option. Once you find it, tap on it, and here select Do Not Disturb mode. Come on. And here you can turn on or off the mode by tapping on the switch, but you can also scroll down, and here we can set up a schedule. Basically, the mode will be turning on automatically and turning off automatically according to your preferences. So if you want to set up schedule, tap on Add Time, and you have Start Time, End Time, Repeat, and that's the free option you have. So first let's tap on Start, and here we can set the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode should be turning on. And you can swipe up and down on the hours, and oh my bad, let's go back to start. So the hours, why is it happening? Hours, why does it go back? I don't understand, this is weird. Swipe up and down, okay, on hours and minutes, and once you set them to the time you like, for example 10:30 p.m, you can tap on OK to confirm, and now we have the start time. Then tap on End, so the time on which it should be turning off, something like 7:30 maybe. Okay, and then we have the repeat option, and here you can select on which days the schedule should be active, and you can check them or uncheck them by tapping on the boxes. I'm gonna select Tuesday, Friday, and maybe Monday. No, you know what, maybe Sunday. Okay, and then go back by swiping right. Oh no, never mind, you can't go back because it won't save, so we need to select the days and then scroll down and tap on OK, like this. Okay, and then it will save. So once you set it up and you have the values right here under each option, tap on OK, and the schedule will be added and it will be enabled automatically. You can enable it or disable it by tapping on the switch. You can also edit the schedule if you want to, and if you tap on the schedule and enter the editing mode, you can also delete the schedule if you don't like it anymore and you want to remove it. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face, and that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.